you all, thank you all. My name is Xavier, but I like to go by the name Reuse because I love taking used materials, turn them into musical instruments. I love building things, love making music. I just love making this amazing world a better place.
Yeah, that's right.
And by the way, that name, Ecorhythmics, my name.
That's right, yeah. That's true.
You did very good.
Well, my name is Anthony, but I like to go by Reduce because I'm all about reducing waste. I am a drummer and musician, and I'm super passionate about our group, the Ecorhythmics.
Yeah, me too. Hey
Yeah.
everyone, my name is Sammy. I actually prefer my nickname Recycle because I like finding unused things and making them have new purpose.
Yeah.
I'm also a musician, musicologist, Zach, and an educator of environmentality. That's right. That's my title, you see. And Reduce and I, we go way back. Give me a sound. We go way back. We met at a conservation, actually, it was Esticon, if I remember.
Esticon, yep.
Environmental Sustainability Convention.
Yes.
Wow. Yeah, I know. We discovered we were like-minded. We've been together ever since.
Yep, down low.
That's right. See, our goal here at the Ecorhythmics is to spread the message about environmental sustainability.
Yep.
And inspire people like you through music. Perfect. Thank you. You reminded me.
I did?
It's time for a new song. Give me a sound. That's right. You're going to love this song. It's really good. See if you recognize it.
You all are probably wondering what some of these cool things are on these amazing carts of ours.
Yeah.
For example, right here, this is PVC. You know, used for landscaping, plumbing, all that stuff. I found it at a construction site. They were just getting rid of it. I knew I could turn it into an instrument. Check this out.
Ooh.
Right?
Yeah, that's really good. That sounds amazing.
You like that, Reduce?
You know, as a musicologist, I'm just fascinated how different materials create different sounds. Let me point you to these pots and pans over here. You know, the smaller pans, they make a higher sound, but the larger pans, they make a lower sound. You know, just think, I found these behind Restaurantosaurus, and they told me they weren't going to use them anymore. They let me have them, and now I have a musical instrument.
Oh. That's awesome. I just love how global this whole thing is. Anyone can take used materials, turn them into musical instruments. For instance, I have a similar case to you, Reduce. Going by a construction site, saw a bunch of unused wood just sitting there. I'm like, man, I could probably use this as a musical instrument. It reminded me of something. There's an instrument made out of wood, actually. It's called the cajon, and I have one right here. Made this for myself, and it's actually from Peru. People would take drawers out of their kitchens and turn it into a musical instrument. Hey, fellas, how about we show them what the cajon can do?
Okay. Yeah, good idea.
Let's do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't they sound cool?
There you go, guys.
Time for the remix. sustainability
Yeah.
and inspire others to get involved. Let me share an example.
Yeah.
Whenever I'm walking around the park and I notice trash, I'll pick it up and make sure I find the closest and appropriate trash container, like that one right over there. Yeah, where you're pointing, that's right. But notice there's two of them, you see.
Oh.
If I had an empty water bottle, which one would I put it in? That's right, the recycle one. That's right, yeah. Something real simple, but something you could do today when you're walking around the park. Ain't that right for you?
That's totally
Why
right,
don't you
man.
go ahead and share something that you do?
Yeah, one thing I like to do, and in fact, I have a fun fact that I would like to include you guys in. Who wants to guess what these shirts are actually made out of? Let me hear you. Yes, right! That's the plastic water bottle girl right there. You're awesome. Hey,
Two for
reduce.
two, ain't you? Yeah,
Shit,
that's
2 for
really
2.
good.
Let's see if we get 3 for 3. Go ahead.
Well, I like to compost. So I took some plastic bottles, cut them in half, turned them into planters, and then I used compost and soil together. And it makes beautiful flowers. Just like together we make beautiful music.
Yep.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey. Happy birthday! Talking out. so much. Once again, we are
The Ecorhythmics.